Who is the better kisser? Me or your ex? Guys, wait, before we get into this video, I want to show you this cute little package I got from Obsession Accessory Bar, right? So let us see what is inside. So I got 2 bottles. One for me, one for Jason. I love them. Them cute. And you know the funniest thing? I lost my water bottle. I did have a cute water bottle. And I don't know when I go and go left it. So from them time there, I just have some little plastic bottle. And now so them never did a work, but I really appreciate these because my name Depani. So that one here say Andrew. And it's a YouTube. It nearly dropped. It's a YouTube. She put it there. Thank you so much. Oh, let me see what they do. So basically them the balloons, custom frames, highlight covers, beauty products, custom jars, customized cups, party decor props, stickers, key rings. Wow, they do a lot of stuff. YouTube, Andrea Baburam. Jason one say YouTube, subscribe to my channel, Razorblade TV vlogs. Guys, I love these. Thank you so much. I really appreciate these bottles. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, please go over to Obsession Accessory Bar and order your stuff, order your customized cup, jar, bottle, whatever. Go over there and check them out. Tell them see Ian dressing you. Ratted, I lie. Something else in there. I never see them here. How about at all? Look cute. Stop. Girl, me see what you do. Me see what you do. You know me love them something here. You know me love tie up my head. You know me love tie up my head and go on. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this package. Check them out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here with Jason from Razorblade TV Vlogs, Razorblade TV and Razorblade TV Family. Guys, go over there and check out his YouTube channels and tell him to Andrew send you.
Nobody now come.
You think so? Let us bet.
Comment.
Guys, make me proud. Please. But today I will be asking my boyfriend some awkward questions.
And I didn't agree to do this, by the way. You can leave?
No. Oh. But yeah, today I'll be asking my boyfriend some awkward questions. And I have to answer every single one when I ask him. Let's get right into the video.
And if we don't want to answer them?
You have to answer them. Because
right.
we want over here, so we over here, so one. Okay. First one. Who is the better kisser? Me or your ex-girlfriend?
You. You are the best kisser, babe. Out of the both of you. Maybe that's better out of the both of you.
Anyways, next question. Do you ever think about your ex while you're with me?
No.
Okay. Stop about my question. Guess how many guys I've slept with?
About 20.
20?
I joke.
22.
About 9.
9?
9 man you sleep with.
You think so?
Bro, you don't forget and tell you. Oh, see? I forgot to leave because your body couldn't never chew. Oh, God. This is stress. I better sleep with more than 9 man.
Alright. How long does it take? How long does it take you to get ready for a date?
Oh, you?
You.
That's not accurate.
Am I awkward question?
You know take me no time. The same amount of time it take to get ready for your normal day, same time for your date.
Okay. How much debt do you have right now?
How much what?
Debt.
Like when I own?
Yeah.
I don't owe nobody nothing. And you know that too. I don't owe nothing.
Have you ever considered plastic surgery? Stick a pin. The reason why I ask you the question here because people always ask females alone.
So, alright, what me did want to put plastic surgery?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
No, I don't know what me have to do with plastic surgery.
You know, when people hear the word plastic surgery,
Associated woman.
No, not only that. When people hear the word plastic surgery, they might think about, oh, your breast, your bottom, your belly. When those people know say you really do surgery because you have some people who are born a certain way and them, you get it.
I'm perfect how I am.
This next question, and don't laugh, I'm being realistic. How much do you think I weigh? I mean, guys, we never asked you to the question.
That's
but we got doctor together.
We were 156.
She's a massive. Yeah, that I goal.
Huh?
That I goal.
You buy goal.
I don't know what.
What the catch I worth? You weigh 180?
Next question.
No, me, what much you weigh?
Hey,
How much you weigh?
Hey, what me say about confirming questions?
No. Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Alright.
Okay.
Backside.
Why? Stop it.
I'm coming there.
You don't see one there.
You don't know.
Alright. How long does it take for you to ejaculate when you're not in the mood? With me.
It takes forever.
And it what?
What me I say is, when me not in the mood, it takes forever. And if me do reach when me not in the mood, I just become just want to get up and done. So I just stick about it quick and just.
I don't understand what you say.
Even if you're not in the mood, you know you can set yourself on a certain way or do some things on a certain way for us. So when I'm not in the mood, I do that. But if I really in the mood and I not try to get out of that mood when I'm in all day.
What's the longest you've gone without doing it?
For me?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Remember my virgin, so I don't like saying that question apply for me.
I can tell.
What?
Probably a month.
Wait, 4 years worth of months.
Do you find older women attractive?
Yeah. So you're going to be so far. A woman.
Not wrong. Well, are we pretty and nice? Have you ever considered getting tied up while doing it in the bedroom?
You know me not to trust that though. Me do it tied.
But what if me want to tie you?
You know me not, you can't tie one of me hand or one of the foot, but you're not.
No, I want to tie you both your hand.
You see, you tell me what you want to do, but we not tie me up.
Well, me already buy some stuff for that.
What you buy?
And it will come soon.
What you buy? Ziploc.
Don't worry yourself, you'll see them. Guys, our anniversary coming up soon. Have you ever done it in front of anyone?
Yeah.
Wait, you do it like deliberately? What are the word of them? Deliberately?
Yes. It's not deliberate, you just do it and whoever did it.
Wow.
No.
And I me do, guys, get that straight.
No, no, you.
What's the wildest thing you've ever done?
Being a YouTuber. Being a YouTuber?
In the bedroom.
In the bedroom?
Yes.
Squeeze a girl neck for his spite.
While doing it?
Yeah. You know you squeeze neck because you're under a vibe, but I squeeze it for his spite. Somebody just say, "I squeeze the car." The girl did do something there like, "We just squeezing it hot feel fun." Then the girl say, "Yo, you know what's the last one? They love him." I say, "Yeah, but we squeezing feel fun." Cause the girl did wicked. See me don't even question that moment.
Wait, no. Me acting that off camera.
Right.
Alright, babe, come now. Have you ever sniffed our underwear?
What? No.
Never?
What?
I mean,
no. Women don't really want to do that for you.
Guys, me don't know, but me not still a lie. I don't do that, but me have. That's another story. Have you ever fingered a girl then sniff it?
If I what?
If you ever finger one girl then
sniff
it.
what?
Your finger?
What do you mean?
Sometimes,
me tell you something, you see scent. Sometimes you don't want to smell it, sometimes scent is that thing where just reach up there and say, "No man, I really mind." What do you mean? No man. Every man like. So anybody do that and check themselves, them wicked.
Guys, come. Me never say finger yourself, you know.
Bro, so kind of question that yes, somebody says I saw saying go. You just say, "No man, I want to smell some."
I don't remember though.
I know me always need try. Me not say, me always remember because I don't know, but me always try to make sure someone watch me and them. Because you might never know what because I have a virgin me cook dumpling for your whole family after you just finger your girlfriend.
You didn't know the family?
Not him come tell me, but they did with their neighbor.
Man, I like you to figure out that.
No, them can't figure out how we live too much place to that. That is funny though. If we did over them, would probably get some.
Guys, me personally, me have one, when I know females, if you're like this, comment below and let me know. I have one style where I love to smell stuff. Me, like anything at all, me will smell it because me not play when it come on to certain stuff and my nose good. Like me can just walk into the house and tell you everything that was used whilst not at home. That's something,
no,
sir?
I know you love smell things.
But yeah, me can smell. Like if me there and food cook like 4 hours ago, we come in and say, "You cook corned beef?" Or if you use one lotion, me can say, "You use the sweet pea lotion." The expression like sweet pea. I like sweet pea.
Everything.
But yeah, my nose good, so I normally do that. I normally sniff anything what I have to do with like my body. If I take off my shirt, I sniff it. Probably it's nasty to you guys, but me just really do it. Alright. Have you ever done it with someone you weren't attracted to?
Lots of times.
How that make you feel though?
No, every time it was all about, oh shoot, my virgin. Never.
Alright, let's answer the next word.
The next word?
Yeah. Because I know.
Oh my day. Kanoa.
How that make you feel though?
That was, it was just about being a statistic. They just say one more girl like.
So that was a thing back then?
Of course. That was everything back then.
Males.
We were young.
Males.
We were young.
Whoa.
And so in love. Understand?
No, but you're never in love because you did it and you weren't attracted to
and
the
the
person.
song, babe, and the song. We were young ago.
Alright, have a plan.
Come on,
Have you ever farted in your hand and smelled it?
Why the hell, babe? Why? Them questions are really awkward too, babe. But me feel like you would do them stuff then.
That's the end of the questions.
What?
That's the end of the questions.
Okay.
I don't have any more. Guys, but they want to get way more because this is just one good idea if you ask them questions. Something you have to learn to feel out your partner because really and truly and everything when I go talk about and them questions they're just good for know.
Very true.
Them good for know. You ever pick what your bug was eating?
Lord,
About questions.
babe, you know, do them nastiness them there.
You ever dig out your wax and smell it?
No.
Guys, this is the end of my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road.
Sleep or kill that. That's how me want.
It's late. It's very late.
I can't see your eyes then.
Road to 50K. Bye guys.